Statistics show that in 2019, over 5,000 motorcyclists died in traffic accidents. Riding a motorcycle can be extremely dangerous and life-threatening, especially if an accident occurs. Countless amounts of motorcycle riders get injured every year due to traffic collisions. After a motorcycle accident, you can file a lawsuit against the negligent party responsible for your damages, but you shouldn't assume that your lawsuit is going to be quick. More often than not, it can take several months to even years to successfully negotiate a fair settlement for your motorcycle accident. Several factors contribute to how long it can take to win compensation, such as medical treatment, building a solid case, collecting evidence, courts being notoriously slow, and also since insurance companies know that financial burden you have after an accident can be crippling, they will use this to their advantage to lengthen the settlement process to try to get you to settle for less. You shouldn't let financial strain affect your ability to hold out for the compensation you rightfully deserve. Getting pre-settlement funding can really help you out of a tight bind. Let us help you get the best settlement possible for your motorcycle accident lawsuit.